In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with Monday.com. We'll build a simple automation using Zapier, where a new Paperform submission can seamlessly create or update information inside Monday.com. Before you begin, make sure you can sign into Zapier, you have a Paperform form ready, and you know which Monday.com board you want to use. That way, when we get to choosing events and mapping fields, everything will be clear and ready to go. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the home screen. From here, you're going to create a new automation, which Zapier calls a zap. Click Create to start a fresh setup. If you see multiple options, choose Zaps so you're building a standard automation from a trigger and an action. In the editor, you'll first set up the trigger, which is what starts the automation. Click the Trigger section, then search for Paperform by typing its name into the app search box. When you see Paperform in the results, select it. This tells Zapier that Paperform will be the source of the data coming into the workflow. Next, you'll pick the event inside Paperform that should fire the zap. Click Choose an Event, then select the event that matches your use case. Most commonly, this is New Form Submission. That means every time someone submits your form, the zap will run. If you're not sure which one to choose, start with New Form Submission. You can always refine later. Click Continue to move forward. Now shift to the action side, the thing you want Zapier to do in response. Click Action to open the app search for the second half of your zap. Search for and select Monday.com. This tells Zapier where to send your Paperform data. Just like before, you'll choose an event for the action. Click Choose an Event, then select the action that fits your workflow. Popular choices include Create Item to add a new item to a board when a form is submitted, or Create Update if you want to post a message to an existing item. Pick what aligns best with how your team tracks work, then click Continue. From here, Zapier will guide you through connecting accounts and configuring details. If you haven't connected Paperform or Monday.com yet, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize access. That's normal and only needs to be done once per account. When configuring Paperform, you'll typically select the exact form you want to listen to. For Monday.com, you'll choose the workspace, board, and group where items should be created or updated. When you map fields, think about how your form answers should appear in Monday.com. For example, the form's name or email might map to the item name or a text column. Dates from the form should go to a date column, and drop-downs can map to status columns if you match the labels. If your Monday.com board has required columns, make sure each one receives a value from your form. Otherwise, the action may fail. It also helps to standardize your form options to match your Monday.com labels for smoother mapping. A quick tip for clean data: keep the item name concise and put longer responses in dedicated columns or the item's update body so your board stays easy to scan. If you're using people or drop-down columns, select options from the list rather than typing freeform, which prevents mismatches. If you work across multiple boards, confirm you've selected the correct workspace and board before moving on. Once the trigger and action are configured, use sample data from Paperform to preview how it fills into Monday.com fields. This helps you confirm everything lines up as expected. If something looks off, adjust the field mapping until it's right. That's it for the core setup. You went to Zapier Home, created a new zap, set Paperform as the trigger, chose the event, continued, then set Monday.com as the action, chose the action event, and continued. With the app connections and field mapping in place, your automation is ready to bring new Paperform submissions straight into your Monday.com board, keeping your team organized without manual copying.